Hi friends, it's Suzanne. Thanks so much for joining me. I am here to say happy solstice, midsummer blessings. This is the longest day of the year and it's a beautiful day where I am. So I hope you're having a great time. I wanted to talk a little bit about the Nourish Your Vitality program to let you know it is open for enrollment for a couple more weeks. I have an amazing group assembled, and if you are really interested in some concrete, helpful tools to navigate health and wellness, it's an amazing program. I've got this year some new additions. There are monthly one-to-ones with me, and I've also added in 3 yoga classes a week. And everything is virtual, of course, right now because we cannot meet in person. But it has been such a precious source of community, this group, to most all of my members say it has helped them navigate the pandemic so well. And I just had a re-enrollment of actually 100% of the people who were signed up last year signed up again this year, and I'm opening it up. I have I've actually been so busy, I have not let you guys know that it is open. Probably in the fall I'll open it up again, but it's the solstice and we're going into the next 6 months of the year, and I think it is a great time to take extra protection, given what we're in a period of chaos and change and transformation, and that can really take a toll on your health, right? And understandably so. But it's amazing. We can do things that really do make a difference in our daily lives. So if you're feeling like sleep is a problem, you're having gut issues, you're not able, maybe you're not getting any exercise or movement, or like the rhythm is totally gone from your life, like people are having a lot of trouble with that because we don't have our usual work time hours or things that helped us get into a really healthy rhythm. So this year in the program, I've really put in more building blocks to help with that issue, and I think it's going to be amazing. So I will put the link in this post, and if you would like to chat with me about it, just sign up for a discovery call. I'll put the link for that too. I'm totally excited about this, and if you are, I feel like the tools you learn will help you the rest of your life, and that support and community, and basically, we really facilitate, those all help, and it's love really that drives the most effective change. And so if you are interested in becoming a member of the group, please connect. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.